Tech Wars, AI career jobs and salaries. The following are some different career opportunities in AI and salaries in the USA. 1. Machine learning engineer, $95,000 to $165,000. Machine learning engineers develop and implement machine learning algorithms and models. 1. They work on tasks such as data preprocessing, feature engineering, model training, and optimization. 2. Data scientist, $95,000 to $180,000. Data scientists extract insights from large datasets using statistical analysis, machine learning techniques, and predictive modeling. 2. They work on understanding complex data, identifying patterns, and building models for decision-making. 3. Research scientist, $100,000 to $200,000. Research scientists focus on advancing the field of AI through research and innovation. 3. They work on developing new algorithms, improving existing models, and exploring cutting-edge techniques to push the boundaries of AI capabilities. 4. AI ethicist, $80,000 to $150,000. AI ethicists analyze the ethical implications of AI systems and develop guidelines to ensure responsible and ethical AI development and deployment. 4. They address concerns such as fairness, transparency, privacy, and accountability. 5. AI software engineer, $90,000 to $150,000. AI software engineers develop software solutions and applications that incorporate AI capabilities. 5. They work on designing and implementing AI algorithms, integrating AI models into software systems, and optimizing AI performance. 6. Robotics engineer, $85,000 to $135,000. Robotics engineers specialize in designing, developing, and programming robotic systems. 6. They combine AI techniques with mechanical engineer principles to create autonomous robots that can perceive, navigate, and interact with the physical world. 7. Natural language processing, NLP, engineer, $90,000 to $150,000. NLP engineers work on developing systems that understand and process human language. 7. They build language models, develop chatbots, improve speech recognition systems, and work on tasks like sentiment analysis and machine translation. 8. AI product manager, $100,000 to $180,000. AI product managers oversees the development and deployment of AI products and solutions. 8. They work on understanding market needs, defining product requirements, managing development teams, and ensuring successful product launches. 9. AI consultants, $80,000 to $150,000. AI consultants provide strategic advice and guidance to businesses on how to leverage AI technologies for competitive advantage. 9. They help identify AI opportunities, develop implementation strategies, and assist with the integration of AI into business processes. 10. AI entrepreneur, $200,000 plus USD. AI entrepreneurs identify market needs and create startups or companies that develop AI-based products, services, or platforms. 10. They drive innovation, secure funding, and bring AI solutions to the market. Please click the subscribe button below if you enjoyed this video. You can take the full AI course at techwars.ai.